Hi everyone, I hope you're happy and well. Today I'm going to be making some biscuits. These biscuits are very traditional from Scotland. They're called shortbread. Now, shortbread is very easy to make, but very, very yummy. So, to start, what ingredients do we need for the shortbread? Firstly, we need butter. We need flour, and we need sugar. Okay, I'm going to type up the recipe and put it online, and you can see how much flour, how much butter you need. Okay, what equipment, what utensils do we need? We need a bowl and a spoon, a wooden spoon. So I've just put the oven on, it's heating at 150 degrees, and now I'm going to start making the shortbread. So first of all, put the butter into your bowl, okay, and then we add all of the sugar. Okay, so the butter and the sugar are all together in the bowl. Now what you want to do is you want to mix the butter and the sugar together. It's a bit difficult at first, it's a bit hard, but you need to keep going and going and going, and then eventually it becomes soft. So now I've mixed the butter and the sugar together, and they look like this. It's like a paste. It's very smooth. Now what I'm going to do is add half of the flour, okay, about half. Okay, so just about half of the bowl, because if you put too much in, it's too difficult to mix. So add a little bit now, mix, and then add the other half later. Now I've just added all of the flour. I put all of the flour in, and now I'm going to mix it all together, and it will become a big hard lump, a dough that we can make biscuits from. So now I've mixed all of the flour, the butter and the sugar together, and I've made a dough like this, you see? It's all together, I've made a dough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it out flat and start to cut it into biscuits. So I've started rolling out the dough. I don't have a rolling pin, so I have to use a bottle, but I'm going to roll it out until it's quite thin, but not too thin, a little bit thick, about the width of a finger. Okay, so what I've started doing now is I've used a knife to cut the dough into rectangles like this. Okay, and if you have a look, they're about the length of my finger, and they're not too thin, they're a bit thick, but not too thick. And now what I'm going to do, just before I put them in the oven, is use a fork to put holes along the surface, like this. This way they cook better and they look nice. And just before I put them in the oven, I'm just going to put some sugar over the top. Okay, I've made about 12 biscuits more or less, okay? So now that I've put some sugar over the top, I'm going to put them into the oven. I've got a small oven. Here it is. Okay, and we put those in for about 20 minutes, okay? 15 or 20 minutes. And keep looking because they might start to go brown, okay? So we'll see what happens in 20 minutes from now. So the shortbread is finished now, and as you can see, it's turned very brown. I've just left it on a board to cool down, and later on I'll come back and I'll eat all of it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. And maybe you can try to make shortbread someday as well. So talk to you again soon. Bye.